So my name's Danny. I've worked for Project Solar since October last year. I conduct the electrical side of the role alongside my brother-in-law Lewis, who does the roof work. Today we are completing an install. We're installing some batteries and a secondary inverter to a system. So I feel it's important because during the day, obviously you're getting a lot of solar generation, but come night time, when there's no sun, you're then able to utilise that energy storage when you've got batteries in place. So you can get them charged up during the day off the solar panels and then use it come night time. In terms of the actual install of the batteries, it is a relatively quick process. Probably only takes like an hour or two. They're very easy to fit to any system really. You obviously get different brands and you just obviously get the relevant brand and you can then just fit it then to your system. When the energy companies have reduced rates of electricity charge during random hours in the middle of the night, you can obviously get your batteries charged during that point as well, when it's obviously cheaper.